As we got further into manufacturing our own parts, we got into 3D printing just because it gives us a lot more scope to make bespoke products very quickly, very efficiently, and at quite low cost. So with the BCN we can produce parts that would normally need moulding or a splash taken from an actual component. So it reduces pattern making, it reduces mould production. We can print a part and then carbon wrap it and put it straight to use. 3D printing allows us to produce some really nice end products with minimal post-processing. But we can print quite complex PLA shapes and then wrap them in carbon, which saves us having to produce patterns, moulds, and wasting all that material. So this is a nice end-use component that we made for the engineers station. It allows them to set their monitors at the right angle and right height for them to use while we're racing. It's made from the CF15 carbon reinforced material. It's incredibly stiff, incredibly light, and it just allows us to make exactly what we want. This is a PLA prototype, and this is the splash that sits on the front wing that holds the fan that this goes on. So this is a really complex shape. It's got lots of compounded curves. If you were to machine this from a normal material with a 5-axis CNC, there would be an enormous amount of waste and it would cost you a small fortune.